Let's get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in.
Monotony is not me, I'm too hot for laundry, get to know me. Hip-hop's my hot, my Gandhi, confidently do it so nonchalantly. In reality, the threats got a rep like Gandhi. Old school, check it, a black and blondie. Respect her, you better ask your uncle and aunties. Happy ballerina on them when we meet them on the corner with Adidas and diplomas on them. Seeing yo, it's over when the screen rolls. Photographical primo, with cats that been sitting back waiting to steamroll. A G still feeling MC's flow. A mean look really doesn't matter to me though. A sweet hook gotta make it look like Kareem's throw. The dream took 13 years for the single, but now it's official. Proponents fear steering the road, and nobody is getting in without security codes.
Grab the mic, I'll show you how to do it right. The way I get down, the way I sound.
This is hip hop. Take it back, yo. We sat back, analyze without participation. These whack cats fantasize about the situation, patient as if we were waiting.
אוקיי, כמו שאתם רואים פה, שמעתי לובש לבן, כלומר, הוא במחאת הקוטג'. הוא לא קונה קוטג', הוא פאקינג עובד קוטג'. בואו לפה. תראה, יום שישי היום, ואני חושב ששדמתי, הוא לא חיה. שלישית, מודרפוקר, תעשה את התנועה הזאת, לא יודע, עם היד.
רגע. תחזיק את הסקט.
הנה. כיף? קוטג'. לא לקנות. ללבוש קוטג'. זה היה תמיד ארוך. כן.